माझ्या सुंदरामध्ये रिझर्व नाही. So here one person told that here basically the digital world plays very dangerous role. So one person told that how basically you can say they are playing dangerous role basically. So one person told that the connection between that land and human body, that only digital world basically can do. Nobody in this world basically can do. So that is basically the satellite group basically. But satellite group basically directly never connects basically. Why? Because if they will connect, then basically it might possible that that person basically body parts basically might get damaged. So they have created certain providers basically. That is the internet provider. So just see basically how the land is connecting basically. How the land is connecting, how the land is connecting and how the land is created and how basically the satellite groups are using it. So they told that okay basically. So the internet data basically are getting used. But here one person asked the question, what is actually internet basically? For example, basically we have already taken basically long before basically I want to reach there, how I can reach, and I want to send the something basically to that person basically, that example. So one person says yes, that is the simple language of internet basically. That only basically the world is doing basically. But here one person told that source is there basically. Source is what basically? Cities. And cities are equal to data basically. And here basically it's a digital world. So that connects to text box equal to 1000 cities. And text box contains the data basically. Combo box contains the data. So digital world basically has created the internet data basically in this format. That is text box equal to 1000 cities. That 1000 city basically is the data. And internet basically groups only have the one source. That is computer basically. So next video.